Yo, 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 yo. What's the word with y'all, man? What's the word with y'all? This nigga just asked me why I'm not in a trade, bro. It's not even 9:30, bro. The fuck? I don't trade pre-market, bro. Bro, this nigga needs to shut the fuck up, bro. Why is he telling me to trade pre-market, bro? Or I get mad. Like, watch out, bro. Hold on, bro. Let's listen to what this nigga has to say, bro. Let's listen to what he has to say.
Could have sworn we talked about this like a couple months back. Like you got to get in a little early because everyone's going to be expecting the market to open at 8:30. Nigga, that's why you got to get in around like maybe 8, maybe 7:50. Get a hold the position, bro. Hey.
This fucking Buford, bro. Why do I even talk to you? Stop telling me bullshit, my nigga. Or you piss me off. No. This nigga yapping about. You gotta get in around 7 o'clock. You gotta get in around 7 o'clock because everyone expects market to open at 9:30. Bro, what are you talking about, nigga? That shit like actually just irritated my soul, bro. Like what, yo? But anyways, bro, top of the morning, I ain't gonna lie. Top of the morning, y'all. Magnificent Monday, man. Beautiful start of the week. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, chat. I haven't been going on my morning walks. I haven't been going on my morning walks for like a few days, bro. I need to get back to doing that, bro. I need to get back to doing that, bro. No cap. I need to get back to doing my morning walks, bro. Stay consistent to my morning ritual. Those morning walks, bro. I'm telling you, really, it's like Drano for your brain. Just unclogs everything, bro. For real. No yap. Damn, 9:30 bell ain't even smacked yet. We seeing price drop a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I can low key frame both sides of the market, bro. I can low key frame both sides of the market, bro. It's like I'm gonna show y'all when it calls for it. I'm gonna show y'all when it calls for it in due time. In due time. In due time. Hold on, B. In due time. But it's like I'm really looking short though. These shorts really looking short. These shorts really short. These shorts really short, and I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna lie. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take y'all there, bro. I'm gonna take y'all over there. Y'all see that, chat? Y'all see this shit? Y'all see what y'all see what I'm looking at right now? Y'all see what I'm looking at right now? It's like, but we must remember we do got PMI at 9 o'clock. Well, 10 o'clock Eastern, but 9 o'clock Central my time. We do got that shit at 9. What else we got this week? We got non-farm Wednesday. We got yellow for orange folder PMI Wednesday. We got unemployment Thursday. We got not red folder not non-farm Friday, and we got red folder unemployment Friday. Friday might not be a trading day for me. Maybe on demo. Maybe on the Demski. Maybe on the Demski. But yeah. Yeah, chat. Maybe on the Demski. I'm just like I'm just like low key. What we about to do with this? What we about to do with this block? I mean this fair value gap. What we about to do with that? NQ, let me know what you about to do. What we about to do, NQ? What we about to do, NQ? I'm such a Buford, bro. I can just switch back and forth. Forgot. What we about to do though? Let me see. Inversion on both? Inversion on both? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Is ES leading? ES is leading, actually. ES is leading. Holy shit. Holy shit. ES is leading. And at 9:30 Bell is here. Yeah, ES is leading. We have an SMT, bearish SMT right here. After ranging for a little bit, we broke that range because ES made an SMT. Cool as shit. Cool as shit. Cool as shit. No. Like what's price gonna do? And this nigga asked me if I was in longs, bro. He asked me if I took longs, bro. Are we dead ass? Are we serious right now, bro? Come on, fam. That's not even in the question, bro. That's not even in the question, bro. That's not even in the picture, bro. Nah, but that's bro though. I ain't gonna lie, bro be smacking though. Despite the fact he just spitted some bullshit at me, he be smacking. I ain't gonna lie. He's a pretty good trader, y'all. I'm so grateful for my trader friends. I ain't gonna lie. I have some pretty good trader friends. Pretty good trader friends, bro. Y'all need to get you one. Or some. Couple or a few. Many. Maybe plenty. No cap. Like having a trading space around you. Like I gotta say, like having a trading and a community around you. That shit's really good, bro. Good, bro. Good, bro. Low key, so we open lower into this 5-minute gap. I'm suspecting he's gonna run straight through. Low key. Hell yeah. I'm suspecting he's gonna run straight through. I'm suspecting it's gonna run straight through, and if not, oh well. Damn, chat. I didn't even ask y'all. How was y'all weekend, man? How was y'all weekend, chat? How was y'all's weekend, man? What y'all do over the weekend? What y'all do over the weekend? Y'all went clubbing. Y'all went partying. Y'all stayed at home. Y'all went to church yesterday. Did y'all go to church yesterday? I didn't go to church yesterday. I don't go to church. Is that bad, chat? Like as a religious Christian, like is that bad that I don't go to church, chat? I have my reasons, but I just don't go to church, bro. I used to when I was little. I used to go to church when I was younger. But it's like I don't know, like abruptly me and my family just stopped going to church. Like we used to go to church and then one Sunday we didn't go to church. The next Sunday we didn't go to church. And then we just stopped going to fucking church. We just stopped going to church, bro. I don't know why. That's not first presented gap. This 934 may be first presented gap. This 934 might be first presented. We came up to 830 open inside that fair value gap. Low key, do we see longs here? Because we low key got this range right here, right? We were accumulating and we manipulate. Oh, is this AMD I see? Is this AMD I see? Is this AMD I see? Oh shit. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this AMD I see? Because I mean, we got the accumulation. Then we have the manipulation. We might have distribution. We might see distribution. Let's see, chat. Let's see, chat. I think that's what this is, chat. Especially after taking out consequent encroachment of new week open gap. This might be what that is, chat. That might be what this is, chat. Maybe. Possibly. Let me look on the 5-minute though. Trying to see some. Maybe I'm seeing what I'm seeing. Maybe. I'm not too familiarized with AMD, so I mean it looks like that's could be what this is, but like no, I don't know. Oh no. Low key though. It's like, yeah, nah, I don't know. My nervous system getting amped up, y'all. I don't know why. I'm not even in no trade, bro. My nervous system is amping up, bro. I feel my heart rate like beating faster, bro. It's like picking up pace, bro. Like, why, bro? Why does my shit do that? Is it like cause of out of anticipation or some shit? Like, why do my shit be doing that, chat? Low key? What are we doing though? Trying to figure out. Trying to figure out, chat. Cause we came back up to this range, but it's like we came back up to this range, right? If anything, I want to see an inversion. Let me get rid of this bullshit. If we're gonna go long, I do want to see an inversion of this 5 minute gap. Because it does seem like we manipulated lower. And price could, like I said, very well be trying to go higher. Based off of this AMD market structure. AMD price action that I see. I'm just curious to know. We come down to this inverse fair value gap on the 5 minute. Came down to that. Came down to that. Came down to that. Came down to that. But we're still bearish on the 15 and the hourly. But we have bullish market structure shift on the 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute. Our time frame still says bearish, y'all. HTF still says bearish, bro. So after tapping consequent encroachment of this 5 minute inverse fair value gap, but it's like, mind you, we do have PMI at 10 o'clock, bro. We do got PMI at 10 o'clock, bro. We do have that. I just don't like what I'm seeing. We inversed to the upside on the 5 minute, rejecting off of this order block, this 655 order block. But now we're still seeing price moving lower. That was an inverse fair value gap as well. This 810 was an inverse fair value gap. That's interesting. But we're probably gonna show inversion to this 936. If we're still showing strong displacement to the downside, all I need is confirmation and continuation, bro. All I need is confirmation and continuation, bro. That's all I need. That's all I need. That's all I need. No cap. That's all I need, bro. We came down to this 3 minute gap. Okay. So I'm really trying to see how all these PD arrays are flowing with each other right now. We have inversion to the upside on the 3 minute and the 5 minute. We came down to both inverse fair value gaps. But we also have this balanced price range right here. This gap right here, this 933 is a balanced price range on the 3 minute. And we're showing respect to this gap right here, trading inside of that, while also tapping the consequent encroachment of this 5 minute inverse fair value gap. So damn, nigga. We're filled. Break even here. God willing. I mean, we do have all these equal highs and shit though, y'all. We do have all of that to consider. Actually, I think I'm gonna take partials here. Yup. Got that. Got that. Got that partial, y'all. And we went break even. Nigga, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck? Hey, yo. Hold on, bit. Why did it just do that? Hey, yo, that shit was weird. What the fuck? Why did it just do that, chat? That was weird. Holy shit. Wait. Oh, it's because I didn't change my stop loss contracts, bro. I'm a dickhead. I'm a dickhead, bro. I'm a dickhead, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That was actually a foolish mistake. That was actually a foolish mistake. That was a foolish mistake. I ain't gonna lie. That shit made me nervous. I was like, what the fuck? My shit, my position just reversed. Hey, yo. All right. But yeah, that was, we took that trade. We took that trade. Um, Low key, I don't feel like that was no A plus trade because we got caught up in this storm right here. Cause we still came back into this range. We still trading in this range right here. But at least I'm out before PMI. That was my whole goal. That was my goal. That was my goal in mind. That's why I only went for a quick little 1-to-1. Took partials to make sure if anything didn't go my way, I still ended in profit. Um, I went long. I took a fair value gap entry model. Well, really like a inversion. Why you need to go sit the fuck down with your black and white ass, nigga? Nobody playing with you, bro. My cat be fucking with shit, bro, pissing me off. Anyways, um, entered off of inversion. So I guess yeah. It's like yeah. Feel me? It's like yeah, bro. What was our entry price? Matter of fact, let me take y'all to my journal with me. Let me take y'all to my journal with me, bro. Entry price 28,479. Whoops. Hold on. Let me go back. All right, bet. 28,47925. 25. Take profit. 28,54750. 28.54750. Stop loss 28.41550. 28.41550. 28.41550. Risk was like 600 on some shit. Risk was like 600 something. Yeah, 647 on some shit. Don't tell me this shit about to hit my TP. You know what? I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care, nigga. Expected RR, pretty much a 1-to-1. 1-to-1. Did we reach hot time frame draw on liquidity? No. Did I wait for confirmation? Yes. Did I follow my trading plan? I mean, it's like I didn't really have a bias. Because as y'all can see here, what I did for my daily bias, I feel like I can frame the market in both directions. New week opened higher without taking high time frame buy side liquidity. So this right here, wait, no, this right here. It was this high time frame buy side liquidity that we failed to take out. Then we fall lower during Asia and London, coming down to consequent encroachment of new week open gap. Price could reverse back to the upside from here, or we could continue lower to take high time frame sell side liquidity since we failed to reach buy side draws. Yeah, so it's like I didn't really have a bias. I was just waiting for market to open to give me my narrative to see how we was gonna play. And it kind of played well because before market open, I had a condition set right here. This 5-minute gap, we manipulated lower into this gap. Fuck! It hit my TP. I'm about to crash. No, I'm not. Matter of fact, bro, I was gonna close the chart, but I need it. Oh my god, I need it. Damn, I could have passed my eval today. It's all right. Matter of fact, fuck that. I'm about to lock myself out. Let me lock myself out real quick. Let me lock myself out right now. Bro, let me lock myself out right now, bro. No cap. Lock myself out right now. Bro, I do some dumb shit. Manual lockout. Custom till 8 a.m. tomorrow. Lock account. Yes, lock account. Bingo. All right, bet. We in there. All right. Where was we at? Why was this an A+ trade? All right, so boom. This was an A+ trade for me. As I said, I don't feel like this was an A+ trade. Even though we had a good set, even though we had a setup that, you know, was profitable, taking partials and going break even, or if I would have just held, not take partials, went break even, and wait, no, if we would have got break even, we would have got stopped out. If I didn't go break even, we would have actually took full profit. Either way, trade was profitable. I mean, so I say it was like a B plus. Like no, I say like a flat B. It was a flat B. It was a flat B graded trade. Flat B trade. I mean, that's what I'll give it. So, but at the end of the day, let me show y'all why. First of all, right? Let me take this off. Where's 9:30 open? 9:30, right? 9:30. We open lower and manipulate into this 5-minute condition. We manipulate 9:30. Oh shit. 9:30 opens lower and manipulates into 5-minute condition, right? That's this right here. That's that 5-minute gap. We manipulate lower, bow in there. Consequent encroachment taken out. Then we start to see a little bit of consolidation. What do we see then? Right? What do we see then, bro? What do we see then, y'all? We see, okay? We see price inverse to the upside, right? We see price give us an inversion to the upside, right? We inverse to the upside. Oh, hold on. Let me get the full candle closure, right? We inverse to the upside, right? We inverse to the upside. We inverse to the upside. All right. After 9:30 manipulation, we get a bullish inversion to the upside on the 1 minute, right? That's this right here. That's this 1 minute gap. What was that? That was that 9:30 gap. That was that 9:30 gap, and we inverse that to the upside, right? Now, boom. For my confirmation and continuation, right? We actually inverse down, but to come down to not only this 935 fair value gap, right? But we also, okay, first of all, this is what we do. We actually inverse, we get an inversion to the upside on the 5 minute. That was crucial for me. That was crucial for me because what did I say? I said if we want to go higher, I want to see price inverse this 5 minute to the upside, right? Right. So, oh shit, hold on. All right, there we go. So I'm about to do that. Now, boom. Price gives us a bullish inversion to the bullish inversion relative to a 5 minute gap as well. Damn, it's hot as fuck, bro. I don't be liking taking my clothes off in front of y'all, but it's like it be hot, bro. Price gives us a bullish inversion relative to a 5 minute fair value gap as well, which is this one right here, where we have consequent encroachment at the 8:30 open, right? Price comes down. Price comes back down to this 8:30 open, as well as this 935 gap, as well as this 940. Wait. Fuck, it's a whole lot of confluences aligning right here. It's a whole lot of shit going on right here, yo. I ain't even gonna lie. It's a whole lot of confirmation right here. You actually know what? You know what? That's what makes this trade that I took such a beautiful trade. That's what makes that trade such a beautiful trade, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Cause bro. Damn. NQ was low-key in flow state, my nigga. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Look at this, bro. So mind you, this is on the 1 minute, right? This is on the 1 minute. So we come up, right? We inverse down to, because this is our retracement. It's not a reversal, it's our retracement, right? We come down, this golden line right here, that's 8:30 open, right? Now, that fair value gap that is sitting in is the 5 minute fair value gap that we inverse to the upside, which is this right here, right? Where's my laser pointer at? Where's my laser pointer at? Do I have a laser pointer somewhere? Yes, I do. So this 5 minute fair value gap, this right here, boom. Now we come down to this 935 fair value gap. That's what this is, right? But we also have this fair value gap, which is a 5 minute, and that is 810 inverse fair value gap. Okay. As I say, that's why this trade was so beautiful, bro. Because we took and retraced all the way down, taking all that liquidity, refueling to go back up, right? Now, as y'all see, well, y'all don't see, but I'm about to take y'all back real quick. I'm about to bring y'all back. I'm about to dial y'all back. I'm dialing y'all back in. Watch this. Watch this shit right here. Y'all see how oh, okay. Okay, there we go. So boom. My trade was, where did I enter? This right here. My trade was something like these, right? I went break even right here. You know what I'm saying? It did what it did, but we're still seeing displacement to the upside, right? Why? Why, chat? A. Fuck. Get out the way. M. D. AMD, nigga. That's what that was, bro. That's what I ain't gonna lie. It's hot as a bitch, yo. Like, I'm actually sweating in every layer of clothing I have on right now. Fuck. AMD. So we came down, we did all that good stuff, right? We did all that good stuff. Now, anyways, what else made this an A plus trade, right? So we see price retrace down past 936 fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap, to tap 830 open, 935 fair value gap, as well as this damn 810 5-minute inverse fair value gap. The 810 5-minute inverse fair value gap. Then fifth bullet point. This is what makes it an A plus trade, y'all. This is what makes it an A plus trade. This is really what seals the present. This is what seals. This is the bow tie on the present, bro. We inverse to the upside at 942. We inverse to the upside at 942. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, chat. Damn, cause low key, like I said, bro, I entered off the inversion candle. I low key should have waited for price to come back down to the inverse fair value gap. I low key should have waited for price to come back down to the inverse fair value gap. Damn. I would have got a much better trade. I would have had a much better trade. I ain't gonna lie. And now from here, we're showing respect to this gap right here. We're probably gonna see continuation up to this 28,69825. I'm just speculating though, you know what I mean? But let me take y'all back real quick because we're not done with my journal. We're not done with the journal. Let me take y'all back. All right, boom. Oh yeah. Wait, let me delete that. And then we get, hold on. Then we get, cause it's like I'm marking out my chart as I'm doing this, so it's like, and I mean, all my drawings are in alignment with what I'm screenshotting. We get the inversion to the upside after the retracement down. Where's my, all right, boom. So that right there was my entry. That candle right there. After the retracement down, we get an inversion to the upside, where I take my entry type shit. Now, Yeah. How did I feel? As I say, chat, I don't know why. I don't know why it be happening like this, but like before I even take a trade, bro, my nervous system be getting amped up, bro. Before I was even in my trade, my nervous system was getting amped up for some reason. I'm speculating that it may be because of anticipation, or maybe a subconscious fear of losing, of potentially losing a trade. Maybe that's what it is, y'all. Maybe that's what it is, y'all. I don't put nothing past myself, bro. Now, what do we end in? Profit? Ended in profit and break even. Ended in profit and break even. Yeah, I'm trying to think like never mind. Never mind. Could I take this trade again? Yeah. What, in one sentence, what was the biggest lesson from this trade? Wait for price to come back down to the inverse fair value gap before executing and getting into a position. Because as I say, bro, taking y'all back, like, dude, I could have had a much better trade had I actually waited for price to come down to this inverse fair value gap, bro. Right? After we got that inversion, if I didn't enter right here and I went back, or I waited for it to pull back and come down to this inverse fair value gap, could have had a much better trade, bro. Much better trade on some like, on some boom type shit. You know what I mean? That would have been a good little, almost a 3-1. Boy, let's sit your ass down somewhere. My fault, y'all. He's annoying me, bro. He's annoying me, like, truly. What did fam say? Bro, I just scalped the fuck out of NQ, caught the buys and sell. Now I'm up 1.6K. I'm a genius. Yeah, bro. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff, bro. But my question is like, okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna question it, bro. Just good shit, bro. That's fam, bro. As long as you winning, I'm proud of you, bro. As long as you winning, I'm proud of you, bro. But yeah, chat. Yeah, chat. I ain't gonna lie. That really might conclude today's trade, y'all. That might conclude today's trade, y'all. That might conclude today's trade, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, but it was low key. It was a green day. It was a green day. It was a green day. Low key, I could have had a better execution. I could have executed better. I could have executed better, which would have resulted in me not having to go break even. I would have hit take profit, right? If I would have executed better, if I would have executed at the inverse fair value gap, consequent encroachment, had my TP the same with that D risk or with my risk the same at that wick low, I would have been able to take my partials and I wouldn't have got stopped out at break even. So today, I'll probably grade today like a like a like I said, like maybe a B. Maybe a B. Maybe a B on some shit. Maybe a B minus. Maybe a B minus just because of the execution, man. Just because of execute. Actually, no, it is a B minus. Because first of all, I didn't even change my contract size when I went break even. That was the first rookie mistake. That right there, no, that was the second rookie mistake. First rookie mistake, not executing at the inverse for value gap. Second rookie mistake, I didn't change my contract, my contract size. Then it reversed my fucking position, and I was scrambling to exit that shit once it went back into profit, bro. So that right there had threw me for a fucking loop. I ain't lying. That shit threw me for a fucking. I was like, hey, hold on, wait. Why ain't this bitch gone? Why is my P&L? Why is my unrealized P&L still moving, bro? I look at my contract size. I'm like, oh shit. What the fuck, bro? That shit was. I ain't gonna lie, bro. My heart almost jumped out my chest, gang. My heart almost jumped out my chest. I was like, damn. TP Smacker, what are you doing? What is you doing, bro? But nah, W trading day today, regardless, bro. W trading day. I think I'm getting a little better. I think I'm getting a little better at like implementing like better risk management habits and shit, or practices and shit, like going break even, taking partials and shit like that. Chat, can y'all hear them like outside my window and shit? Like landscaping and do maintenance? Like they're loud as a bitch. I ain't gonna bro. I promise you, if I go out there with a Modelo and a tamale, they gonna get the fuck on, bro. Hey, take this and go sit down somewhere. They gonna sit down somewhere, bro, until I'm done doing what I'm doing. But yeah, chat, I think that concludes today's trading day. I'm low-key about to head up out of here. Like I said, y'all, it is a magnificent Monday. It is a super start to the week. Super start to the week, superior start to the week. You know what I mean? Have a great rest of y'all day, man. If you working, have a great shift. Have a great day at work. Yo, don't work too hard for me, bro. Because you probably don't plan to retire from where you working, bro. Don't let them niggas overwork you. Don't let them get in your head, bro. If you work in customer service, fuck them niggas, bro. Them niggas coming in on bullshit. Hey, just smile and nod, bro. Just smile and nod, bro. Just smile and nod. It's gonna be all right, bro. You probably gonna see these niggas once, never again, bro. So all that shit niggas be on, bro, it don't even matter, bro. You still gonna wake up tomorrow, bro. God willing. So, hey, for the rest of my boys and gals, bro, if today's your off day, go outside, get some sun, soak up that vitamin D, stay hydrated. It's hot as a bitch. I'm sweating in my. Can y'all see? Like, am I glistening, chat? I'm low key glistening, chat. Like, bro, I'm dead ass sweating in my crib, bro. I'm sweating in my crib. I did turn my thermostat up, because as I say, bro, I don't like having that shit too high or like too low during the day, because it's just constantly blowing. I don't be liking that electric bill at the end of the month, bro. That should be. God damn, that should be hurting the nigga feelings. I'm like, damn, y'all can't give me no discount. Jeez, bro. But nah, it's hot as fuck, bro. Stay hydrated. Get them electrolytes, bro. Do something productive, bro. Something constructive. Yeah, all that good stuff. But what are we on today? We're on Twitch. Oh yeah, we're on Twitch today. So I will see my Twitch family Wednesday. Love y'all. Peace.